Little rabbit hopped one day, but one small leg got hurt in play. He sat down softly by a tree, looking sad as sad could be. Tattle, little bird said, "Don't you cry, I will help you hop nearby." Squirrel brought a tasty treat, "Here are nuts for you to eat." Channel turtle slowly came along, singing him a happy song. And a bear brought water fresh and cool, kindness is the forest rule. Soon the rabbit smiled so bright, friends can make